Morning, my name is John Bush, and I am a student in DSE405 Education Technology, taught by Professor Thomas Nixon at Fresno Pacific University School of Education. In today's project, we are going to discuss Google Slides and how to use Google Slides. We will be talking about the difference between Google Slides and those of you that are familiar with PowerPoint, and I will show you how to get into Google Slides, utilize Google Slides, selecting themes, choosing a theme, showing you the different nuances of Google Slides like theme transitions, inserting a new slide, applying a theme, inserting text, and whatnot. You might wonder how I am able to record this. I am utilizing a program called ScreenCast-O-Matic. You can find ScreenCast-O-Matic at this website right here, ScreenCast-O-Matic.com. I'm using the free version, so you're probably going to see a watermark in my presentation. Let's go back to Google Slides. How do you access Google Slides? If you have a Gmail account, log into your Gmail account, and then in the upper right-hand corner, by your name, click on the, I call it the Rubik's Cube icon. And then scroll down here to the More, click on Google Docs, wait for it to load. You have to bear with me, I'm using a slow internet connection here at my school. And as it loads, you're going to see the Google Docs interface. Upper left hand corner in the menu where it says Docs, click on that. Hopefully it'll load. There we go. And then you can see you can choose between Docs, Sheets, Slides, and so forth. Just click on Slides. And I have already started a small presentation how to use Google Slides. And you can see that there, which if it'll allow me to click on, there we go. I am using the lovely plum theme because our school colors are purple, white, and gray. And so first thing you're going to want to do is when you open up a slide or when you open up a new presentation is you're going to want to name it right away. In the upper left-hand corner, you can just type in whatever you want to name it. And for this, I have named it How to Use Google Slides. Hit enter. The neat thing about Google Slides is that if you use PowerPoint or Microsoft products, you will notice that you have to hit save all the time. With Google products, Google Classroom that we use here at Washington Unified, you never have to hit save. So if you have a power outage, you get sidetracked with other students, the zombie apocalypse, whatever happens, your work is always saved. You'll notice here that we have a toolbar. It's similar to PowerPoint, Microsoft Word. You have your file where you can open, rename, make a copy, edit, undo, redo, paste, view. You can zoom in, zoom out, create animations. I utilize the insert menu option quite often. Here you can insert text, images, videos, word art. You're also going to utilize the slide menu button quite a bit. I've never used format tools. It's always great to proofread spelling and whatnot. So what we have here, this is an opening slide to this presentation that I was going to start. And you can see that I've pulled the logo from our school. And how do you do that? I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, I'm going to delete this logo. And I'm going to come up here and I am going to insert an image. And I am going to choose an image to upload. Bear with me again, I have the slow internet connection. And I have named this the Panthers logo. I'm going to select the Panthers logo, select open as it uploads, and there we have it. Now with this, with the mouse, you can click and drag it anywhere you want. And there you go. Very, very simple. Oh, first of all, I forgot to show you how we pick themes. Click on the slide button, click down to themes. You can change the theme. You'll see a menu slide option over here on the right hand side, and you can just scroll down through the themes. Simple, dark, material, Swiss. You got a myriad of different themes. And again, I chose the plum theme. So you just select whatever theme you want, and then it's going to pull up onto your main screen work area. Text. How do you insert text? Well, I'm going to, as you can see, I've already had a text box, but I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm going to delete this text box, and I will show you how to insert text. Again, come up here to insert, select text box, select text box, and I'm not sure why that is not working right now. Let's see what we've got going on here. Why are we not working? Yeah, there we go. And then you can click and drag it anywhere you want. You can resize it. And then you just click in the text field. And we will call this again, how to use Google Slides. And with this, you can highlight it, come up to your menu bar. You can change the font size. I'll use 24. You can change the font type. They've got dozens and dozens of different fonts. I'm partial to Arial because it's nice and clean and easy to read. You can choose the size. Again, 24. You can bold, italicize, underline. And you can also come down here with click the More button, and you can choose your format. If you want to align left, align center, align right. You see how we can do that here just by selecting the different options. So I will choose align left. I'm not really fond with the position there, so I'm going to lower it down just a little bit. And then click out of the box, and there you go. Same way with down here. This is a text box, and you can resize the text box any size you want. You can drag it up, drag it down, and you can see how we've done that. Now, the next slide. With Google Slides, you can insert video for your presentation. This is one of the great things I like about Google Slides. Again, we use Google Classroom here at our school district. I am growing increasingly a huge fan of Google products. It's so much user-friendly, much more so than what I consider Microsoft. Again, that's personal opinion. So with images, or with video, all you got to do is, let me delete this here, if I can get that icon correctly there. So now you want to insert a video. Come up here to insert, come down to video, wait for it to load up, and you can load anything that you like. I have a video that I'm working on my personal website that I really liked. You can go to YouTube and you can surf any link that you want, or you can pull up videos from Facebook, any video source that you want. So this is a video that I had posted on my personal blog for a previous project for Professor Nixon's class. So I need the link.
Well, in this day and age, police officers are under intense scrutiny. Any complaint of bad conduct.
And here's the link. Click, highlight, copy the link, bring it back to my project. Enter the link here and where it says YouTube. Hit search. There it is. Click, highlight. Wait for it to load into your Google Slides. Hit select. And there you go. The Great thing about Google Slides compared to PowerPoint, again, utilizing video, text, transitions. We're going to talk about transition slides here in just a second, but you can keep your classroom or your audience entertained by adding different videos and stuff. Now, we're going to theme transitions, whatever slide you want. Let's click back on the home slide, come up here to slide, change your transition. Over here on the right hand side, you've got fade, slide to right, left, flip, cube. I'm partial to cube. It's kind of nice. Then you can apply it to all slides. I believe in keeping transitions uniform to all slides. Inserting a new slide. So now we got to create, we're going to add to our presentation. So you just click slide, new slide, and there you go. And if you want to utilize the same format, you can come back up here to slide, and you can apply the layout for the plum theme that I've selected. For the heck of it, let's choose this one. And you can see how it automatically creates a formatted slide for you. Inserting pictures, I've discussed that. Inserting videos. And now, let's just play our short presentation here. So you come back up here to the main slide, and click play. And you can see the cube rotation, the pictures, the text, the formatting and everything that I utilized, the different colors. And we can come back down here to, let's see here. Okay. There we go. So you can see that we've got the title page to education technology, all the different slides, the videos, and the if we want to continue on building this presentation, we can keep going. Again, a lot of people are afraid of Google Classroom, Google Docs, Google Slides. I encourage you to embrace it. It's extremely user-friendly, very self-explanatory. I just barely started using this just a couple of months ago whenever our school transitioned to this program in this format, and I really like it. And I used to be a Microsoft person, and I got tired of getting documents sent to me from other teachers, students, in different versions. You couldn't open them, you got user errors and whatnot. But with Google Docs, their version of Google, they call it Google Docs, which is their version of Microsoft Word, and Slides, which is their version of PowerPoint. There's no conflicts of versions. It's extremely easy to use. And I highly encourage you to embrace it. And plus, it's free. So anyway, this concludes my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you can forgive me for my cold that I've been dealing with here. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment in our user forum, and or email me through Fresno Pacific University. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day.